Cybersecurity jobs are growing 3 times faster than any other IT role. But here's the thing, not everyone is cut out for it. Today I'm going to show you 5 signs plus a bonus one at the end that prove you might be destined for a career in cybersecurity. And some of these signs will surprise you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Luke. I've been a recruiter for over 14 years. And one of my specialties is placing people in cybersecurity roles and coaching them in their journey. So trust me when I say this, I've seen the difference between people who just apply for cyber jobs and the ones who actually get hired and thrive. So most people think cybersecurity is only for coding geniuses or hardcore IT folks. But the truth is, many of the best professionals in this field come from totally different backgrounds. I've seen people come from who are teachers, ex-military, even customer services reps. What they had in common were the traits I'm about to share with you. So let's get straight into it. Sign number 1. You're naturally curious. So do you find yourself asking why or how does that work? Well, that curiosity is fuel in cybersecurity. Threats are constantly changing and you need people who dig deeper instead of just accepting things at face value. For example, many pen testers start out simply by experimenting with capture the flag challenges or tinkering with tech at home. That natural curiosity is what employers love to see. So a career link here is curiosity is gold for roles like pen testing, threat hunting, or malware analysis. Sign number 2, you're calm under pressure. When a cyber incident happens, chaos can be everywhere. Alarms are going off, people are panicking, but the best cybersecurity pros, they stay calm, they don't get flustered. They assess, they act methodically. Imagine this, a company's email system goes down, everyone's stressed, but the people who stay cool work through the steps logically and communicate clearly. That's who you want in a security operations center. A career link here are SOC analysts and incident responders. They are built on this skill. Sign 3, you love problem solving. Cybersecurity is basically one giant puzzle. Whether it's figuring out why a network is running slow or tracing the path of a phishing attack, you're always solving problems. Example, think about the person whose friend always calls when their printer stops working and they enjoy fixing it. That same mindset is what employers want in cybersecurity. The career link here, roles like cybersecurity analysts or even security engineers need this mindset daily. Sign 4, you can explain complex ideas simply. This is the one people overlook, and that's communication. It's not enough to be technically brilliant. You need to explain risks to non-technical people, managers, executives, sometimes even clients. I talk about this all the time, and I've mentioned it in other videos, that as a cybersecurity professional, you're often dealing with other stakeholders in the business. And quite often they're not technical at all. They don't know anything about what you do. So you need to talk to them in a language they understand. An example would be if you've ever explained TikTok to your parents or taught a friend how to use a new app without them throwing their phone across the room, congratulations, you've got that skill. A career link would be consultants, governance, risk and compliance, GRC, and even cybersecurity managers live or die by this ability. And sign 5, you have integrity and persistence. At the heart of cybersecurity is trust. Companies aren't just hiring skills, they're trusting you with their most sensitive data. Integrity means doing the right thing even when nobody's watching. Persistence means you don't give up because attackers won't either. An example would be some of the toughest certifications in the industry, like OSCP, take multiple attempts. The people who succeed aren't always the most technical, they're the ones who keep pushing forward. So a career link here would be pen testers, security leaders, and red team members. They all rely on this mix of ethics and persistence. And here's a bonus sign for you. You're a lifelong learner. Cybersecurity changes every day. New threats, new tools, new regulations. If you're someone who loves learning, adapting and staying ahead of trends, you'll thrive here. Because in this industry, the second you stop learning is the second you fall behind. Every single cyber role benefits from this, but especially cloud security and AI security specialists. So here's the big truth. Cybersecurity isn't about being a tech genius. It's about being curious, it's about being calm, persistent, and able to communicate. If you recognize yourself in 3 or more of these signs, there's a good chance cybersecurity could be the career for you. And if you're feeling stuck or unsure of how to break into cybersecurity, that's exactly why I created my Career Compass Method coaching program. It's an 8-week coaching program where you work directly with me. Over those 8 weeks, I'll guide you through step by step through everything from building a strong, tailored resume, a LinkedIn profile, to interview preparation, to confidence building and job search strategies that actually work. We'll tailor it to exactly what you need. And the best part, it's not a generic online course. It's tailored right for you. We work together one-on-one, so you're not just following templates, you're building a plan that fits your skills, your career goals, and the roles you want to target. So if you're serious about breaking into cybersecurity or taking your career to the next level, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can learn more about and book a call with me. Which of these signs resonated with you most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know how many you ticked off. And if you're serious about getting into cybersecurity, check out my videos on entry-level roles and certifications. I'll link them in the description below. Now, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate the support. Thank you all for watching. And as always, keep leveling up your career. I'll see you on the next video.